Hey, it's Doug here at Santa Clara Cycle. Today we're looking at this beautiful 2012 Yamaha FZ6R. This is the Yamaha's full-size sport touring motorcycle. Has a 600cc inline 4-cylinder fuel-injected engine, 6-speed transmission. This is a clean title California bike. Very low miles, only 6,309 miles on the odometer. Bike is all stock and in great condition. Has new tires, front and rear, upright handlebars, makes it comfortable for longer trips and riding around town. Nice manageable power, tuned for street. The detuned R6 engine make more street power, comfortable for the commute. Great price at only $34.99 with finance options available. Stop on by Santa Clara Cycle and check it out. Reach us at 408-730-0600.